As I get older, my eyebrows get thinner, especially the outer edges, and it seems like every time I cook, the heat flies up and singes my eyebrows. So I wanted to see if I could thicken my eyebrows with a derma roller or if I'd just be wasting my time. Some of you even saw the results of this mini experiment at the end of my 6-month derma rolling video. But I wanted to explain how I'm derma rolling so no one just takes a derma roller and destroys their eyebrows trying to copy me. I decided to use a different method for derma rolling my eyebrows than I did for my hair. I didn't apply any coffee because I don't want it near my eyes and honestly don't feel it's necessary. I also learned in the past that coffee can wake me up if I put too much on my skin or if it gets in my eyes, so for the sake of sleep, I avoid putting it on in large quantities. I don't think eyebrow hair is as sensitive to DHT as scalp hair, so there really is no need for a DHT blocker such as coffee. For more about the potential DHT blocking abilities of coffee, feel free to check out my video, Use Regular Coffee to Accelerate Hair Growth. Now, despite putting down the coffee, I did use the oil mixture minus the coffee for added stimulation to lock in moisture and to protect the hairs from breakage and daily wear and tear. My eyebrows get exposed to a lot of heat from cooking, so coating them with oil keeps them protected. Remember that whether or not this routine works for me, you may need to adapt it for your individual needs, and for some of you, it may not work at all. Thinning eyebrows can also signal an underlying medical condition or a nutritional deficiency, so you may want to consult a professional first and treat any root causes of your eyebrow hair loss before trying a derma roller. That being said, I'm hoping that my own personal experience can help at least one person be more confident about their appearance. The first thing I did was clean my derma roller, which involves scrubbing it with soap and a toothbrush, spraying with alcohol, and then leaving it dry. I then washed my eyebrows with a mild soap to kill any bacteria on the skin. When derma rolling my eyebrows, I never derma roll against the grain. I only move the derma roller in a single direction, starting where the eyebrow is thickest and moving to the thinner edge that goes out toward my ear. I did this about once a week and that's it. Per usual, I used my 192 titanium needle derma roller measuring at 0.5 millimeters, and I only applied a slight amount of pressure when derma rolling. During the whole process, I experienced very little pain and no bleeding, only a tingling sensation and sometimes a slight momentary sting. There was never any shedding, skin peeling, or hyperpigmentation. After derma rolling, of course, I used my oil mixture. The recipe to make this is similar to my mixture for my hair, but as I said, without the coffee. I add 1.75 ounces of black castor oil to an applicator bottle such as this one. I purchased this small bottle of black castor oil and simply reorder a larger bottle on Amazon when I need more to refill it. I add about a teaspoon of sweet almond oil, 5 to 6 drops of peppermint oil, and 5 to 6 drops of rosemary oil. When applying this mixture, I usually add a few drops to the tip of my finger and smooth it across my eyebrow and rake it in gently with a comb. During the first week, I didn't notice any difference, but that's okay because 7 days is rarely enough to see results. These are my eyebrows during week 2. Now, the hairs here were definitely getting longer, and at week 3, many hairs, particularly in my right eyebrow, had doubled in growth. And finally, by week 4, about a month, my eyebrows were much thicker with the outer edges having filled themselves in. Honestly, I declare this a success. Peace.